Om Sai Ram, happy Thursday to all. What Sai knows about you is more important than what others think about you because Sai knows your heart. Sai says, a new start is awaiting for you. So don't overthink about the past and future. Live in the present. You will be surprised after seeing my miracles. I will fulfill your needs. This year is going to be full of miracles and blessings. Let's travel together and achieve this. Happy New Year, my dear child. In today's video, we'll be going through the story of power and efficacy of Udi and Sai appearing as serpent. Power and efficacy of Udi. Once it happened that on Balaji's death anniversary, a certain number of guests were invited and the dinner was prepared for them. But at dinner time, it was found that thrice the number of people invited turned up. Mrs. Niveskar was in a fix. She thought that the food would not suffice for the people assembled, and if it falls short, the honor of the family would be at stake. Her mother-in-law comforted her by saying, "Don't be afraid, it is not ours but Sai's food. Cover every vessel with cloth, putting some Udi in it, and serve from the same without opening it. Sai will save us from ignominy." She did as she was advised, and it was found to their surprise and joy that not only did the food suffice for all, but plenty of it remained after serving. As one feels intently, so he realized accordingly, was proved in this case. Sai appearing as serpent. Once Raghu Patel of Shirdi went to Balaji Patel at Nives. That evening, he found that a serpent entered the cowshed hissing. All the cattle were afraid and became restless. The inmates of the house were frightened, but Balaji thought that it was Sai who appeared in his house as a serpent. Without being afraid in the least, he bought a cup of milk and placed it before the serpent and said, "Baba, why do you hiss like this? Do you want to frighten us? Take this cup of milk and drink it with calm mind." Saying this, he sat down close by. The other members were frightened and did not know what to do. In a short time, the serpent disappeared of its own and nobody knew where it went. It was not found, though a thorough search was made in the cowshed. Balaji had 2 wives and some children. They sometimes went to Shirdi from Nives for taking Baba's darshan. Then Baba bought saris and other clothes which were given to them with his blessings. Bow to Shri Sai. Peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, do comment, like and share. Thank you.